yourself to the end of the road. Help me, son. It'll be okay.
Man, it was good all the way until that.
Wait, are you still recording? Oh, dude, we gotta do that again!
No, we don't. We can just cut that out, can't we?
No.
You dropped the blanket! Hurry up, it's raining! My iPod!
Wait. Are you kidding me? It goes left, dude. Are you serious? Like, I'm sorry. Wait, so. Wait. What? It's Taurus, like she got hit by a truck. Is she dead? Where is she?
No, you weren't even on screen.
Yes, I was.
No, you weren't.
I wasn't?
Okay.
It's Taurus, like she got hit by a truck. Oh my god, what happened? Oh, there we go. You'll be okay. I'll get Dad. Dang it! You'll be okay. I promise.
You did it wrong! Oh my gosh. Jared, you think
I'm not an actor. I'm gonna go get Dad. I'm gonna go get Dad. It's okay. I'll get a doctor. I promise. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, Tarslick. Hang in there. Hang in there. Come on, Tarslick. We got this. Alright, come on, Tarslick. Come on. Oh my god. What are you doing to my house? Is she dead? Where is she?